Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to edit character in Character AI. So first of all, launch open Character AI application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Character AI application has been opened. Initially you'll be in the chats interface. So if you want to edit the character, for that first of all go to your profile interface. Simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to your profile interface. Over here you'll be able to find several options like characters, liked, voices, etc. Make sure characters option is selected. Now you'll be able to see all the characters that you've selected over here. Simply tap on the gear icon right next to the character that you want to edit. Now you can see over here you'll be able to edit the character. You can edit the photo for the character. Simply tap on the photo. Now you can see over here you'll be able to edit the photo. You can either generate the photo or upload the photo of your own. Simply tap on the options of your choice. Likewise, you can also edit the name. Simply tap on the field of name. Now you can see over here you'll be able to edit the name. Likewise, you can also edit the introduction if you want. Simply tap on the field of introduction. Now simply type in how would you like to introduce your character now. After you do that, you can also change the visibility. You'll be able to find three options: public, unlisted, private. So simply tap on the visibility of your choice. You'll also be able to find more options over here. You can see over here you'll also be able to change the voice. Simply tap on the option change. Now you'll be able to change the voice. You can also preview the voices if you want. If you like the voice, tap on the option select voice. Now you can see over here the voice will also be changed. Now after you do all the changes, tap on the save option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that your character will be edited. So that is how you edit character in Character AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.